Hello everyone. Are you wondering what lit means? Let's explore. Lit is a slang term used to describe something that is exciting, excellent, or highly enjoyable. Originally, lit referred to being intoxicated, but it has since evolved to mean anything that is fun, lively, or impressive. If an event, song, or experience is described as lit, it means it's creating a lot of positive energy and excitement. The term is often used in social settings, particularly among younger people, to convey that something is worth attending or participating in because it's going to be a good time. In essence, when something is lit, it's at the peak of enjoyment and energy, making it highly desirable or memorable. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.